Module 1, Lesson 5, Distinguishing Bookkeeping from Accounting. Bookkeeping and accounting are often used interchangeably, but they have different roles in financial management. Understanding these differences can help individuals and businesses make informed financial decisions. The key differences between bookkeeping and accounting. Bookkeeping and accounting are closely related but serve distinct roles in financial management. While both deal with financial data, bookkeeping focuses on recording transactions, whereas accounting involves analyzing and interpreting this data to make informed decisions. Definition: bookkeeping is the systematic recording of financial transactions in an organized manner. It ensures that all sales, purchases, expenses, and receipts are accurately documented. On the other hand, accounting goes beyond just recording transactions. It involves summarizing, analyzing, and interpreting financial data. Accountants use bookkeeping records to prepare financial statements, assess financial health, and provide strategic advice. Main focus. The primary focus of bookkeeping is to capture daily transactions accurately. This means ensuring every payment, sale, and expense is recorded properly in financial records. In contrast, accounting focuses on the bigger picture. It helps businesses understand their financial health by preparing financial statements, identifying trends, and making strategic recommendations. Tasks involved. Bookkeeping tasks include recording all financial transactions, such as sales, purchases, payments, and expenses. It ensures that financial records are always up to date. Accounting, however, takes these records and processes them into meaningful reports. Accountants prepare financial statements, conduct tax planning, create budgets, and make financial forecasts to help businesses grow and comply with regulations. Required skills. A bookkeeper must have attention to detail, basic math skills, and knowledge of bookkeeping software like QuickBooks or Xero. Since their role is primarily focused on data entry and accuracy, organizational skills are crucial. Accountants, on the other hand, require analytical thinking, financial expertise, and problem-solving abilities. They need a deeper understanding of financial regulations, tax laws, and financial reporting standards. End result. The end goal of bookkeeping is to create a well-organized and accurate record of financial transactions. This helps ensure that businesses have a clear view of their financial activities. The end result of accounting, however, is to produce financial statements and reports that help business owners, investors, and stakeholders make informed decisions. Conclusion. While bookkeeping and accounting are different, they complement each other. Without bookkeeping, accountants wouldn't have the data needed to analyze financial health. Similarly, without accounting, businesses wouldn't be able to make strategic financial decisions based on recorded transactions. Together, they create a strong financial foundation for any business. Example analogy: baking a cake. Think of bookkeeping and accounting as different steps in baking a cake. Bookkeeping is like gathering ingredients, measuring flour, sugar, and eggs. Each ingredient represents a financial transaction that must be recorded. Accounting is like baking the cake and analyzing the result, combining ingredients, baking, and tasting to determine if adjustments are needed for a better cake next time. Just as a baker needs both quality ingredients and a good recipe, businesses need accurate bookkeeping and sound accounting to succeed. Why bookkeeping skills are valuable. Even if you're not pursuing a career in accounting, understanding bookkeeping offers valuable benefits. 1. Personal finance management. Helps you track income and expenses, ensuring you live within your budget. Assists in saving money and planning for future goals. 2. Professional opportunities. Many jobs in finance, business, and administration require bookkeeping knowledge. Employers value candidates who understand financial records and budgets. 3. Small business management. Keeping accurate financial records helps avoid tax issues and financial mismanagement. Bookkeeping enables small business owners to track cash flow, profits, and expenses efficiently. Career paths in bookkeeping and accounting. If you have a passion for numbers, organization, and financial management, there are several career opportunities in the fields of bookkeeping and accounting. In the Philippines, bookkeepers often take on additional responsibilities, such as tax compliance filing, making them essential to businesses that need accurate financial reporting and regulatory compliance. 1. Bookkeeper, with tax compliance responsibilities in the Philippines. Role: a bookkeeper is responsible for recording financial transactions and maintaining accurate financial records. In the Philippines, bookkeepers often work as tax compliance filers, ensuring businesses submit the correct tax forms and meet government deadlines. Skills needed: attention to detail, organization, proficiency in bookkeeping software, e.g. QuickBooks, Xero, and knowledge of tax filing requirements, e.g. BIR forms, VAT computation. Example job: a bookkeeper working for a small business records daily sales, prepares invoices, and files monthly tax reports, such as VAT or withholding tax returns, with the Bureau of Internal Revenue, BIR. 2. Accountant. Role: accountants analyze financial records, prepare financial statements, and help businesses make informed financial decisions. They also handle tax planning and ensure compliance with financial regulations. Skills needed: analytical skills, knowledge of tax laws, financial reporting expertise, and proficiency in accounting software. Example job: an accountant working for a corporation prepares annual tax returns, calculates business expenses for tax deductions, and provides financial advice to management. 3. Auditor. Role: auditors review financial records to ensure accuracy, compliance, and fraud detection. They help businesses identify errors or inconsistencies that could lead to financial losses or legal issues. Skills needed: investigative skills, knowledge of financial regulations, critical thinking, and attention to detail. Example job: an auditor working for a government agency reviews a company's financial statements to ensure compliance with tax laws and prevent fraudulent activities. Why these careers matter. Bookkeepers, accountants, and auditors play a crucial role in financial management and compliance. In the Philippines, businesses rely heavily on bookkeepers to handle tax filing and government reporting, ensuring that companies avoid penalties and stay financially healthy. Whether you're managing financial records, preparing reports, or auditing transactions, these careers offer stability and growth in the financial industry. Key takeaways: bookkeeping, recording daily financial transactions; accounting, analyzing and summarizing financial data for decision-making. Both are essential for managing personal and business finances effectively. Bookkeeping skills are valuable for personal finance, career growth, and business success. Career options include bookkeeper, accountant, and auditor. End of Module 1, Lesson 5.